Here's another wonderful thing about the Barranquilla Range. They put bridges across the road all over so the people can cross because of the streams. However, it's not too great for the traffic. This light's green, you can see. Yet they're not letting us go. So you finally just have to sort of push your way through here. Trying not to hit that taxi. Trying not to hit the stupid bridge. I ran over that one. Come on, guys. I've been long enough in this stupid traffic jam. Move your stupid bridges. Don't hit it. Hit the bike. Another dumb bridge. Move your dumb bridge so I can go. And don't put your bike out in front of me. Alright, I think I've cleared most of the bridges downtown. There's still smaller bridges here. Oh, I just got a lot of traffic to deal with. More bridges. More traffic. Sorry, stupid. Motorcycle would go a lot faster if you get on it. Alright. Alright, I think I've cleared out all the bridges. Here's our police officers just standing over here doing nothing.